Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best pretend makeup is probably one of the most sought-after toys for toddlers, offering a delightful way for little ones to mimic the grown-ups they admire and explore their creative side through imaginative play, all without the mess or expense of real cosmetics. This type of toy allows for hours of entertainment as children can apply makeup to themselves, their toys, or even willing family members, fostering a sense of independence and role-playing that is crucial for their development. Number 5. Meland Pretend Makeup and Purse Set for Toddler Girls. Introducing the Meland Pretend Makeup and Purse Set, designed for little stars aged 3 to 6. It's a safe, fun, and mess-free way for your toddler to explore creativity and imagination. This adorable set is a vibrant addition to any toy collection. It includes a cute pink handbag filled with pretend makeup and accessories. Let your little one enjoy hours of pretend play without the mess. This high-quality toy looks and feels real, encouraging grooming habits and creative fun. Safety is our priority. All accessories are made with eco-friendly, non-toxic materials and rounded edges for secure play. It's ASTM and CPC certified. This set comes complete with a pretend phone, sunglasses, purse, debit card, and a variety of makeup accessories. Everything stores neatly in the zippered handbag. Looking for the perfect gift? This pretend play set is sure to be a hit, becoming their new favorite toy for imaginative adventures at home. What we like? This set offers a complete pretend makeup and purse experience with a variety of accessories. It's designed to be mess-free and is certified for safety. If you are looking for a comprehensive starter kit that includes a handbag and fun extras like a toy phone, this is a great choice for imaginative play. What people say. The variety of jewelry, play makeup, and toys that the purse came with were sturdy quality and beautiful look at. The items feel durable and easy for her to open and close. It has nearly everything my granddaughter sees her mom and dad using each day. She mimics cell phone conversations, and puts a lipstick and compact with makeup brush into her purse, and places her sunglasses on herself before getting in her car seat. The play makeup is fantastic, because it is completely mess-free, made of plastic and foam. The lipstick and lip gloss look real and the lipstick even twists up and down like real lipstick. The powder puff was also a nice addition and I love that the makeup brushes are all soft with pink ends so it looks like the makeup is on the brush. The phone is actually educational as well, either a mode for numbers and alphabet. Number 4. Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit. Introducing the Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit, a fun and safe way for your little one to explore their creativity. This 11-piece set is designed for hours of pretend play. Made from safe materials like plastic, foam, and rubber, this toy makeup ensures no real liquids are involved. It's perfect for imaginative play without any of the mess. Designed specifically for toddlers aged 3 and up, each piece is sized just right for small hands. It encourages creative expression and gives them that grown-up feel safely. This set comes with a stylish cosmetic bag, making it easy to keep everything organized and portable. It's ideal for travel, sleepovers, or simply tidying up after playtime. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pretend makeup kit is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any special occasion. It inspires dress-up games and realistic pretend play. With items like brushes, lipstick, and nail polish, this kit provides realistic tools for pretend play. Your child can have fun imitating makeup application safely. What we like? This 11-piece set includes realistic-looking makeup tools and a convenient cosmetic bag for storage. It's designed for little hands to support creative expression. If you need a portable and tidy option for pretend play, this kit is perfect for travel or keeping toys organized. What people say. It is not actual makeup that comes off but looks just like the real ones, and the lip gloss and nail polish both come out with a real brush that can be played with but not actually put anything on, which is perfect for our little fancy girls who don't actually need the mess of makeup but want to pretend. The lipsticks are telescoping, the nail polish and lip gloss have screw-on lids with brush wands attached, the bag feels premium and the glitter pot has real glitter texture that stays in place. The powder puff is heart-shaped and the little compacts are cute and decently made. The brush set is good quality. Number 3. Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit for Girls. Introducing the Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit, designed for endless hours of creative play. It's the perfect toy for your little one to explore their imaginative side. This comprehensive set includes pretend eyeshadow, lipstick, glitters, and more, all with real brushes for an authentic feel. Everything comes neatly organized in a stylish carrying case. Encourage role-playing and social interaction as they play with friends. This kit helps develop their social skills and fine motor abilities through imaginative fun. Crafted from eco-friendly, non-toxic materials, this pretend makeup looks and feels real without any mess or actual color transfer. It's beautifully shaped with rounded, burr-free edges for safety. The delicate makeup bag is perfectly sized for little hands to manage and carry. It keeps all their pretend cosmetics organized, making it easy for your little princess to take her kit anywhere. This fashionable makeup set is ideal for pretend play, parties, and dress-up occasions. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, sparking joy and creativity. What we like. This kit stands out with its inclusion of real makeup brushes for a more authentic experience, alongside a variety of pretend cosmetics. It comes packed in a neat carrying case to keep everything organized. If you want a pretend makeup set that offers a more realistic feel with actual tools, this is an excellent option for enhancing social and hands-on skills. What people say. The makeup kit looks very realistic, which is perfect for little ones who love to pretend play. The cosmetic bag that comes with it is stylish and compact, making it easy for my niece to carry around and organize her makeup like a grown-up. This set is made of safe, non-toxic materials. The makeup is just pretend, it doesn't actually apply to the skin, but the quality is great, and I love knowing it's safe for her to play with. The kit comes with everything a little makeup enthusiast could want: lip gloss, nail polish, blush, and more. My niece had hours of fun playing with all the different items, mixing and matching for beauty looks. Number 2. Beverly Hills Pretend Makeup Toy Set. Introducing the My First Princess Cosmetic Beauty Set from Beverly Hills. It's designed for little girls who love to play dress up and explore their creativity. This delightful kit includes everything your little one needs to feel like a princess. It features pretend blush, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, a mirror, and a stylish makeup bag. Keep your little one entertained for hours with this fun and mess-free pretend makeup set. It's the perfect way for them to imitate mom and have a blast. Rest assured, this makeup set is completely fake, made from safe foam and plastic. There are no harmful chemicals or messy stains to worry about. Surprise your little girl with this adorable makeup set. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, guaranteed to bring a smile to her face. What we like. This makeup kit is designed with a charming princess theme and offers a fun, mess-free way for little ones to imitate mom. Made from safe foam and plastic, it ensures worry-free play. If your child loves dress up and wants to feel like a princess without any actual makeup transfer or chemicals, this is a delightful gift. What people say. Vibrant colors, very good for play makeup. Should wash off easily. This little set comes in a cute convenient pouch and she can carry it around and play with her dolls. It looks and feels very realistic. Very cute. Number 1. Unicorn Pretend Play Makeup Kit for Girls. Shoo, it's pretend makeup. Your little one can play for hours without making any mess around the house. It's a fun and playful way to explore creativity. This set comes with a super cute unicorn purse with glitter details. It's perfect for taking along on any adventure, because who doesn't love unicorns? It looks so realistic, even adults will want to play. The eyeshadow and foundation mimic powder, the lipstick rolls up and down, and the brushes are real makeup brushes. We've included clip-in hair extensions for a mess-free color pop, and real nail stickers for special occasions. They can even be styled with heat. Made from safe, durable materials, this kit sparks imagination and creativity. It's been play-tested and loved by kids worldwide. What we like. This kit features a super cute unicorn purse and goes beyond just makeup by including hair and nail accessories for a complete transformation. It looks and feels incredibly realistic, offering hours of mess-free play. If you're looking for a gift that offers multiple play avenues, including hairstyling and nail decoration, alongside pretend makeup, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The makeup is real but non-toxic and washable, so it's completely safe for kids to play with. The colors are fun and vibrant, and the quality is surprisingly good for a children's set. It comes with a few makeup items and brushes. Very affordable for what it is. It's so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.